Here's the new cover that we're going to put on the Camaro.
Alright folks, let me tell you about this car cover. It's basically satin pajama set for your ride. We slipped it on and boom, instant showroom vibes. It's soft, lightweight, and hugs every curve like it was custom made. Perfect for keeping dust off your baby while it's parked indoors. Easy to fold, easy to toss on, and no wrestling match required. Just don't take it outside in a rainstorm. It's more like red carpet glam than a raincoat. If you want your wheels to look sharp and staying clean, this is your cover. The VIP treatment your car deserves.